Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Because you know you're a part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It costs you nothing. It's free 99. It costs you zero, nada to hit that subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm and all that jazz. And don't forget to make sure your notification bell is turned on. If you're new here, I don't normally sound like this. I am going through some sinus things, I believe. I'm going to shout out to Mucinex Fastmax. They're not sponsoring this. However, I took some of that today and I'm feeling a little bit better already. So thank God for all the people at work who suggested that. So let's get up into this here video, which is, guess what, y'all? We're tracking again. Because what? We are tracking this year. Our name should just be Tara Tracking Williams. Because at this point, that's all we be doing. But let's get started. We're going to track in both places, so I don't want to be here too long. Let's go. So first we're going to start off in our groceries. Honey, what groceries? We ain't got no money. We ain't got no money. It don't even make no sense, fam. It don't even make no sense. So it says that we have supposed to have taken, what does that say? $17.10 from the Food Depot. I don't believe we have that tracked. Where's the tracker, child? Where's the tracker? Get the pen out. Be ready so you don't have to get ready, girl. So, that there was on, child, 1-5. Really? We don't have that track? No. So, 1-5, we have Food Depot, which is of course in groceries, and we're subtracting out 10 cents. I probably gave them the 10 cents, so let's just say $17. We need to figure out how to keep this computer running without it shutting off. Don't shut off till I tell you to shut off. That's what I need to check on the settings for. So we were at 130. Oops, sorry, we were at $88. Sorry, y'all can't see that. We were at $88 and we spent 17. But we figured out the delete button though, so we're not even mad. So at this point we have $71. It says use both hands, girl. Okay, and then we have another receipt. Really, I hope that was one. It shows that we have the Dollar Tree receipt here for $13.20, which I'm almost sure I probably just gave her $13.20. Yes, it says total cash. Can y'all see that? $13.20. So let's just call that $13. And that was on, and this is not fair. This is why we need to get a household, because some of this stuff was household. Like the patties and stuff was food, but the Dawn and the aluminum foil, that shouldn't have came out of groceries, man. Household owes me like $5. Anyway, that was on 113, and that was the Dollar Tree. No, we're not doing that. And it was, so what? So we have $71, and now we're subtracting $13. Says we have $58. Oh, we're supposed to have $58 left. Look at how this money dwindled. And we're not even at the end of the month. Okay, then we have our Publix receipt, and we spent $22. It was $21.81. We gave them $22. So that was on 113. This light is making it so hard for me to be great. Again, 113. That was Publix. That was $22. We're subtracting. Okay. So we had 58 and we're percentage minus $22. It says we should have $36 left. We got $36 left, y'all, and it's January 17th, 15th, 16th, one of them, 17th. Baby, we got, it's okay, but we have food in the house. We got food in the house, so it's fine. So let's see if that's what it says. We have $35. So where's my dollar at? Where is my dollar? What I'm not going to do is fight over where the dollar is, because it's possible it was in change. So 20, 30, 35. We're going to go with 35 for $1,000, Alex. This time I'm not going to put this back in yet because I got to track it in the binder. So let's move on to gas. Gas also has a receipt. I gotta make sure I keep my receipts so I can scan them in the fetch and stop playing. Stop playing, girl. And so gas does have a receipt in there. I thought I saw one. Yep. And it is for $22. And that's because I gave him 30. I only needed 22. And that was for 112. On 112, which we have not put up here yet. No, 112. And that's gas. And that was minus $22. And let's go ahead and subtract that. $202 to start. And then we spent $22, which means we should have $180 left in gas. All right. So let's see if we actually have $180 left. Please, Lord. 150, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Praise God. So we do have $180 left in gas. Let's keep this train moving. We can scan that receipt to fetch. My fetch code is down below. Now they got games, y'all. I'll link that video above. You can play your games, honey. Or down in the description. More receipts. Baby, why? Why must we be spending? So, okay. So what is this? Self-care. Okay, so I bought some eyelash extensions. Like, because I want to learn. But now I'm sick. I don't want to do that right now. So, I did buy some eyelash kit extensions. They were $12.18. And so, we're just going to put that I had 12. This stupid thing keeps turning off. It's annoying. We're going to say that we spent $12. And so, that was on, what day was that? January 13th at the Civis Eyelash. And we spent $12. I think the rest was in like change in my change thing. So let's see how much we have left. So we started with $100 and we spent $12. I still need a pedicure. $88 should be left in this envelope or something very close to that. So we have 20, 40, 60, 85, 6, 7, 8, or exactly that. Come on, Tara. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Who's killing it? I'm killing it. Who's killing it? Eating out. All right. So we have receipts here. Recito. Okay. Chow, you don't be writing this stuff out right. So it says we spent $11.83, which I probably gave like $12. So we'll subtract $12. But first of all, let's get our total right. So it said we started with $190. Then we had $20 that we spent, which left us with a total of $170. Baby, I just be writing what I want. Be writing what I want. 170. Slow down. That is one of your resolutions, girl. So on that day for the food, that day was Lord knows who, because I don't see no date on this receipt here. So we just, oh, it's the 6th. On January 6th, it was eaten out. And that was $12. So 170 minus $12 is 158. Okay. Then we also have a Kroger's receipt, which I think really was supposed to come out of groceries, but we didn't. We ended up taking it out of eating out because it was like, I don't know why we did that, but it says we spent $34.89. So let's say $35. Ay, Dios mío. And that was on 115. Kroger. And what did I say? 35? Did I say 35? Y'all, what I said? Yep, $35. So if we have 185 and we subtract 35, it says we have $123. I shouldn't have wrote that down until we counted, but that's what it says. We have $105 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. Come on now. Who am I? 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3. 123. These people be giving me back some raggedy money, baby. So perfect. Perfection. Next, we have fun. No money's out of here. Praise God. Not good. I'm not having any fun. So we're supposed to $183. Let's just double check. 150, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So we still have our $183. Come on, Tara. You need to do things in your life. Giving, there's no receipt here, but we should check because it probably wouldn't be. It says we have $5 and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm actually thinking about going back to the Dollar Tree and getting those little heart scratch offs. Dang it. And doing like a little giveaway. Oh, speaking of which, I'm going to leave a link to this challenge. You'll see it on the screen now. Let me know if it works. It's going to be a free Valentine's Day challenge for anyone who wants to print it out. I love playing on Canva, but I don't necessarily want to shop on Etsy or anything. But I'm going to leave you a link to this cute, well, I think it's cute, Valentine's Day saving challenge. You'll save $100 with it. Let me know if the link in the description works for you. If it doesn't work, let me know too so I can work on fixing it. Fitness, I haven't touched it. It should have $40. Yeah. 20, 40. We're still good with that. My friend had actually made me a credit card one, so I'm happy I moved that into here. This is where anything I charge to the credit card will be written, and then money will be moved over if it's not like already getting paid off the card directly. Now, these are all like our money moves that we've done. We've moved $96 over, so we've already did that. That was $96. And then this must be new credit card transaction. Yep. So for Lowe's, there would be $35.60 spent. I bought some filters for my, technically, this needs to go over here in the credit card new. This is a new one, credit card. And that was on 115. And that Lowe's right there. That was Lowe's, and that was some filters for the AC, HVAC unit. HVAC. My sister hates when I say it all out. And we spent $35.60 on that. So $35.60. And then what is this now? Oh, also I put on the credit card today, you guys. So this should be dated today, January 17th. Yes, ma'am. I went to CVS and I needed to buy some Mucinex and some, stuff like that. $32.48 will be coming off the credit card for that. Technically, there was a chips in there, you guys, which I really probably shouldn't be buying, but I'm not counting that because I'm sick. It was $35.60 plus $32.48. Oh my gosh. What? $2.48. So far there should be $68.08 getting paid back to the credit card when we reconcile. Lowe's will come out of household and CVS will come out of health as wealth or medical. But we're just gonna notate those right now. That's the first part. Yay. Did that. We did that. Now to the binder. To the binder. Come on, binder. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Think we're in the back. We're in the back. In the back. In the back. In the back. Aha. So here are our trackers. And I think next month, I'm just going to mark them, write them down, straight down. Right now, I try to like separate them into sections. I don't think I like it. So anyway, let's go. Groceries. Dang, the only thing under groceries right now is the $66. really doesn't need to spend anything. Although for fitness, I'm thinking about saving that money to get some new headphones because the ones that I put in my ear falling out at the gym. And I'm just like, no. I want some of the overhead ones. I think will be a nice little treat to myself. And then we have what? Oh, Lowe's. Okay, so on the credit card, we haven't reconciled this yet. So it's not going to be highlighted. But we're going to put 115 and 117. We have Lowe's, HVAC, filters, and that's going to be for household, and that's $35.60. And then we have CVS, and that's going to be for medicine, and that's going to come out of medical or health, and that's going to be $68.08. Perfect. Now everything has been reconciled here. So when we go to pay or review the credit card, some of this is already going to be written down here. Everything, honestly, y'all, this is all I've spent so far for the month. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good in my neighborhood right now. So yeah, and that one I think went rather quicker than normal. For all the transactions we had to just track, I think we did good. We did good, y'all, because I was like, I need a better system. A few things will change next month, but everything is going well. Of course, I'm going to have way less money next month. I think this month we started with almost $1,000 in most of these categories. Next month and months going forward, I will only have about $500 for the whole entire month. So I'm looking forward to what I actually have left over and being able to save some in some saving challenges and buy a few things that I want to buy. So I'm really excited for that. But you guys, that is all I have for you today. And I'm pretty excited about it. I think we did really, really well today. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to give me like a red heart. Because it's almost Valentine's Day, y'all. But give me a red heart. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you made it this far, you must have liked it, right? I think. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye.